This is PNN, the Psychedelic News Network, and I'm Sebastian Coco, your host, as we recap the last week in psychedelic news. Marijuana Moment reported that researchers are asking a federal court to block the DEA from proceeding in its attempt to ban 2 psychedelic substances, citing that the process the DEA is following to schedule the substances is unconstitutional. Panacea Plant Sciences filed a complaint and request for injunctive relief against the DEA, with the legal challenge centering around the fact that the DEA is attempting to classify 2,5-dimethoxy-5-iodoamphetamine and 2,5-dimethoxy-4-chloroamphetamine as Schedule I substances. Shulgin Farm recently had a press release announcing the Seed Crystal Campaign, a program designed to preserve psychedelic history and create a community hub for psychonauts at the site in Lafayette, California. Shulgin Farm is the former almond orchard where Alexander Shulgin synthesized over 200 psychedelic chemicals in the 60s and 70s, and with the help of his wife, Anne Shulgin, and their friends, created the Shulgin ranking scale used to classify these new psychedelic creations. Conde Nast Traveler released an article hailing psychedelic retreats all around the world. The article highlights a few specific locations and retreats while providing a fairly comprehensive list that describes the different types of psychedelic retreats, with everything from mushrooms to bufo represented on the list. A magic mushroom dispensary in Windsor, Canada, has been raided for the 4th time since it opened in June 2023, resulting in 1 arrest. Police report that the raid on Fun Guys, the dispensary in question, yielded over $42,000 in psilocybin products, including almost 2,000 grams of dried mushrooms and 500 grams of mushroom-infused chocolate. A 19-year-old employee was charged with possession of a substance for the purpose of trafficking. A magic mushroom wellness seminar is under police investigation after a mysterious death in Australia. A 53-year-old woman died in the Soul Barn in Clunes, Victoria after consuming a drink that investigators suspect was brewed with mushrooms. A police probe is ongoing to determine what kind of mushrooms were used to make the brew that also made 2 other victims ill, and to determine what exactly caused the woman's death. While mushrooms are currently the chief suspect, they have not ruled out other potentially toxic substances. Thanks to the UAE's avant-garde approach to healthcare, the nation is quickly looking like it will become the second in the world to approve FDA-endorsed psychedelic treatments. Newsweek wrote an article reporting broadly on how the psychedelic renaissance is currently impacting medical care in the Middle East, with a specific focus on the advancements made in the UAE and how these advancements might impact the global psychedelic community. Finally, speaking of the Middle East, the psychedelic community seems to be torn about the upcoming conference in Israel. Organized by the Multidisciplinary Association for Psychedelic Studies, the Tel Aviv-based conference was originally slated for December 2023, but was delayed due to the events of October 7th. Due to the contentious nature of the past year in Israel, many speakers have quietly canceled their engagement to speak at the conference, and many potential attendees have talked about reluctance to attend, leading to what some professionals have called a soft boycott. Thank you all for watching. This has been the Psychedelic News Network, reporting on April 14th through 21st. I hope everyone had a very trippy bicycle day and a very chill 420. Have a great day and an even better trip.